recording. So I will type here Python here. So I got this prompt now. Okay, if I am typing something, okay, print. You see the color is changing here. Okay. So I will tell hello here. Okay. So then I am closing. See, it didn't change the color. So do you recognize this? So are you able to see the color here, whether it is changing or not?
Sir, in print, sir.
Yeah, print it got changed. Okay. So I will change it to, see, this change it to green. Okay. So this is where your IDE will come in. Okay, it will recognize it. Okay, if it is a code, then it will understand it. Okay, I know this what you are doing. Okay, so it will be doing a source code editor. Okay, you will be getting the highlighting of that colors. Okay, now I will do that. So now you see it, print is in one color and the hello is in one color and the parenthesis is in one color. Okay, so now I will type here and okay, I will put hash. Okay, this is my comment. Okay, so you see now red color whatever I am typing, okay, that doesn't have any meaning at all. Okay, this is just for my reading purpose. So this we have done, right? Print statement all. Okay, at least we have started the print statement, right? So this is my interpreter. Okay, so there is something called compiler and interpreter. Did we cover the topic, interpreter and compiler?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So you are following up. Okay, so this is my interpreter. It will just interpret my commands here. Okay, so now I will open up. Okay, I will quit it now. Okay, so now I will open a Python. Hello, vi hello one.py. Okay, so now I have opened here. Okay, now I will type print. Okay, add. Okay, print. Okay, even my vi editor is also making lot of sense. Okay, hello. Okay, then I close the parenthesis here, then I will put some command here. Okay, this is comment. Now I will put here comment. This is comment. So if I do for, okay, if I type while, okay, and then none. So if there is no commands, then it will not give me the color here. Okay, so this is simple. Whatever it is asked to do, it will do that. This is just a basic text editor. Okay, so like this, if you want to have a source code editor, you need to install PyCharm. Okay, where it will automatically tell you, okay, so you are doing it wrong. So your syntax is wrong. Syntax means here your grammar. Okay, let me quit it here. Okay, so now I will run this hello one.py. Okay, permission denied. Okay, I don't have execution permission here. Sudo, okay, So if you want to run any file, you need to type the sudo command, not sudo, dot slash. If you make it like that, then you will get that executable. Okay, so I will make this execution. Okay, plus x hello dot py. Okay, so now let me execute it. Okay, so still I am not having permission. Okay, chmod. Okay, I will give 777 now. Okay, so now you see it. So there is a, this is the compiler. So whenever you run it, so you are running it on a compiler now. Okay, earlier whatever we are doing, that is a interpreter. Interpreter will tell, okay, at a time it will tell, see this is the problem, this is the error. Whereas compiler, it will run everything now. Okay, so now what I will do, I will open up Google Colabs. Okay, there we will see how we can run the code there. Okay, Google Colabs. So you can run a lot of languages there. So Google is supporting that for research purpose. So you can run lot of languages. Okay. So now let me open up, okay, new notebook. So now I am writing here print. Okay. So it is automatically giving me the suggestion or help. Let's say you run. Okay, I am going to help you. Okay, hello. Okay. Now I am executing. So I don't need any environment, nothing. I am just running it in the Google Colabs. Now see, for simple query it is taking longer time. So anyways it is executing. So they are giving me the environment to execute it. Okay. So if I type anything here, if I write any code, okay, so it will automatically give me help here. Okay. If you have any source code editor, okay, so then you will get it automatically, indentation, all that help you will get. Okay. So if you have a good amount of RAM, enough amount of RAM, if you are having 8 GB, minimum 8 GB, then you can install PyCharm as a your programming editor. So where it will give you all this automatically syntax, so which you can do the programming very easily. You don't have to worry about the syntax error. Syntax means here grammar. So we call syntax as grammar. Okay. So now we will see the basic programming. Okay. So I will share one document with you. Okay. So which I have created it for programming. So you have supporting content for DevOps. Then I will name this as Python. Just I will mention it as Python now. Okay. So now let me in programming languages, what you need to do before telling anything, before typing or before doing anything, you need to get all your tools and variables all ready. So then you need to execute or tell the program what to do, or the compiler will not understand. So let's say you are going into a mechanic shop. Okay, you need to tell the mechanic like what is the problem. Okay, so what exactly you are facing. Then he will understand. Okay, you are facing this. Then I will look. Okay. So now in Python you don't have to tell. Okay. So it will automatically recognize, okay, what is your problem, okay, let me check, you don't tell me, I will only do, okay. So earlier we used to define all that variables, okay, what is it character, or is it variable, or is it integer, or is it a boolean, all we used to do before, okay. So now you see it here, you have print hello world, okay. So this is your comment, okay. Now this is your input, okay. So here you are giving a name here, so it will ask for a name. So whenever you give input, okay, it will consider as a text, so you are giving a text, not a numeric value. So then it will print that name, okay, whatever you are defining there, variable, so that it will take and it will print, okay. So earlier in programming you need to tell okay, here you need to tell name, okay, this will be character, all that you need to tell here. So someone said Python is very easy. Who said that Python is very easy? Someone told, yeah, that is correct. So earlier you have to define all this name, everything. Now it will automatically detect and it will display. Okay, now I will run this code now. So it will take a input. Okay, I will give input, then it will print that input variable. Okay, so let me execute. Okay, so now you see it is asking my name. What is your name? I will tell. Okay, my name. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you. Oh, okay. It took this name into a variable called string called name. Okay, then it printed here, so it saved the value. Okay, so this is your starting program. Okay, so this will display text on the screen. If you use print, it will give you that information. Okay, so if whatever you type input, it will take it as an input now. Okay, so now you have variable and data types. Okay, so you let me know if you are following me, or is it getting complex? Hello?
No, sir.
Yeah. So now we will go with the variables now. Okay. So you don't have to declare all the variables. Let's say we will see the data types here. Okay. So there will be integer, floating, decimal, string, boolean, all that. We will see that. Okay. Let's say we'll see what is this. Here. Okay. So I am defining some variables here. Okay. So let me paste this. Okay. So age, okay, 25, height, float, and this is my decimal number. Okay. Name, it is ls. Okay. This is your string. Okay. All text will be considered as string here. Okay. Then is student, this is boolean. Okay. Boolean means either true or false. Okay. Now you are checking it. What is the type of the age here? It should return. Okay. This is integer class. Class int it will show. Okay. So now we will run it. Now you see. Okay. It is printing the type of class here as an integer. Now I want to see what is the class of height. So you are giving the height as a variable. So now you see it, it is automatically giving me height here, and it is telling this is float. Okay. So now I am running it here. You see it is telling me float. So this is Colab, where you will get all the help just by clicking on that. Okay. Even PyCharm also will give you this type of flexibility, where you can see whenever you are just typing, you can see okay what you are doing wrong. Okay, that is your source code editor. Now I will type okay. What is the name here? Okay, name. You see here name string here, it is coming. Now I will run this. So class, it is string now. So now I will see okay is student, is underscore. So it is automatically telling okay this is the boolean here. Okay, is student is boolean. So now I will run. So class, it is of a boolean class. Okay. So output, this will give the output of the type used in program. So why you need to do comment here? For understanding you will put it. Okay. So mostly nobody will do the commenting here. Okay. Why? Because they make the programming very tough. Okay. Let's say I am writing a program. Okay. I know what I am writing. Okay. I will not put the comment here. So if I write a comment, okay, what this is doing, all this, even a beginner also can understand it. Okay. So now I don't have any importance. Okay, my code also will not have any importance, because I have written all the comments what exactly this is doing. Okay, so I want my importance. That is why most programmer will not put their comments on the programming whatever they will be doing. Okay, so it is best practice if you are using a comment there. So what exactly you are trying to do. So this is your variables. Now we will see some logic here. Okay. So now let's say you want to print the name here. You just type print. Okay. So now you need to just give the variable. That's it. Okay. What is that variable? I will give age here. Okay. Age, and just run it. 25. Okay. Then print. Then what is the variable? Second variable, height. So it automatically took. Okay. Now I am running. Okay. So now print another variable. Okay. So it is automatically asking what type of variable you want to give. Name. String. Then print. Okay. See, it automatically took. Okay, I know you are doing all this. This is what you are trying to do, right? Okay. So he is student. Okay. He is student. So this is where your AI is also coming in. So it will recognize the pattern and it will show that. So now you have basic operators, you have calculations, okay, for addition, division, remainder, and addition, all that, concatenation, all that. So we'll see how it will work now, okay. So let's define it, okay. So we will define, okay, variables now here. So now I am defining values for A and B. So now A plus B is equals to, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. So I am doing all the calculation here. Okay. So let's run it. You will get all this output here. Okay. So first one, you are getting it plus addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division of integers, and then remainder. So whatever you get it, that is remainder, division of integers, then remainder. So 1 will be the remainder here. Okay. So now here you have, so this is your basic operations. Strings and numbers cannot be, they cannot be mixed, or they cannot be added. Okay, if you want to add, okay, let's say, so I will type, okay, A is equals to, I will type it as some name, okay, I will type, okay, this is A. So you cannot add like this. You see, I am getting error. So here you are defining something, can only concatenate string, not integer to string. Okay. So we will concatenate. Concatenate means adding it. So let's say you add it here. So you cannot add it. Okay. Those are all unsupported operand. Means you cannot add it like that. So strings cannot be added like that. Only if you are having an integer or decimal, then only we can add it, or else you cannot add that. Okay. So now you will remove this. So you will put 9. Okay. So I will define this as 17 now. Okay. So now let's run it. This is how it is. Okay. So you have 17 plus 9, 26. Then 17 minus 9, you have 8. 17 multiplied by 9, 153. 17 divided by 9, it is 1.88 with integers. Okay. So you have double slash. Okay. So it will just give that number without the decimals. It is just integer. It will give only 1. Okay. So this will be the remainder. So if you are subtracting 17 minus 9, you will get 8. That is what your remainder is. This is your Python code, basic operations. So like plus, minus, all that you are doing it. So now we have something called uh, loops, okay, or we call it as conditions. So now let's say you have this. Now let me do some boolean here, okay. So let's say we will do some comparison. Okay. First name, then okay, do some comparison here. So now let's do the boolean now. Okay, x is equals to y 5, y is equals to 10. Okay, so now print x is equals to y. So if you are putting equal to, then you are defining some variable. Okay, so if you put double equals to, then it will try to equate the equation whether it is equal or not. So this exclamation is equals to means not. Okay, x is not equal to y. Less than, this is less than. Okay, now you will get the boolean logic. So you are getting the comparison here. Okay, print x is equals to y. Okay, that is false. Both are false. So you should have 10 here, then only you will get true. So now it is telling, okay, y is not, x is not equal to y. Yeah, it is true. Okay, that is true. Okay, now x is less than y, means 5 is less than 10. Okay, then it is true. So now let me change this to 10 here. I will put both 10. Okay, so now what will be the logic? Now what will happen?
Sir, first one is equal to is true.
Okay. Second one?
Sir, second one is not equal to it's false.
Okay. Third one?
Third one, sir, it's are also false, sir, because is equal x equal to y.
Okay. Now let's run it. Okay. Got it. Okay. That is how you will be comparing now. Okay. So now I will take now some logic here. Okay. So and or I will take now. Okay. So now let me add some other logic here. Boolean logic I will type here. Okay. Now logical print x is greater than 0 and y is less than 20. So let me put it this way. Okay. Okay. So now you have x is greater than 0 and y is less than 20. So and means both should be true, then only you get a true statement. Okay, got it? So if you put r, okay, at least one should be true. So if you got one also true, then you will get true statement here, true. So print not, okay, whatever you get, that it should print as false, that it should be negative. If it comes true, then print it false. If you come false, you print it as true. So if you are putting not, then it will be your, so let me put it here, print, okay, x greater than 0, okay. Now let's see. Execute. So there is a error, okay, x is not defined. So now you tell me what will come now here. The last 4 you tell me. So let me print. Let me make this comment. Okay. So now this will become comment. It will not run now. Okay. So now tell me what will be the output. Let's run it. Okay, run the code. So now x is greater than 0 means this is true, and this should be also true. Okay, y is less than 20 means y value is 10. So 10 is less than 20, that is true. Okay, now x is greater than 0. Okay, that is also true. Now y is greater than 10, this is false. Okay, so true false if you are having in and then okay, it will be your true only. Okay, so here also and means both should be true. Okay, or means either one can be true. Okay, so now whatever x is greater than 0, right? So you will get true here. So now you are doing it as a opposite now. So x is greater than 0, you are getting true here. Okay, so now you are putting it false. Okay, if you put not, it will become false. Okay, if you put one more not, it will become one more false. Okay, this was never closed. Okay, so you need to type okay one more. So this got closed now. So if you are doing not means it will get removed here. Okay, so whatever output you are getting, you will get the same output. Okay, if you remove not here, it will be opposite. Okay, till now we are done this one programming. So now you also do them practice now. Now who will share your screen? And show me some code, how you are writing it. What tools are you using? You can use Visual Studio Code for writing the Python code, or you can use PyCharm, or you can use Google Colab, or you can use VI editor. All that you can use. So wherever you feel comfortable, you can work on that environment. Yeah, who will share me screen?
will share.
Okay.